Toyota Harrier XU60. Install target audio 8+128 8-core processor, 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM, 10.1-inch Android big screen player. So it's a plug and play socket, plug and play 16-pin power socket. Okay, it's a low spec version, it's no canvas. So connect with 360 Birdview. This one is for the 360 Birdview camera connection. So connect here. The top one is for the reverse view. This is for the 360 Wi-Fi antenna and the radio, GPS antenna, and a 4G antenna. Plug and play power socket. Later we'll connect to the 10.1-inch good fitting casing for XU60. 360 Birdview. So the wiring will hidden inside from here. Okay, hidden inside, come out from this one, the black color wiring. This is the BM pin to plug in. Okay, the wiring go through. Okay, go in to connect for your 360 Birdview camera. So it's a universal type 360 touchscreen camera. We'll drill a hole to fix in. You need a big cloud to calibrate for your 360 Birdview. A front camera. A left hand side camera. And a rear camera. This is 1080p AHD 307 Sony chipset Birdview parking camera. Target audio 8128. Reverse. It's a reverse view. So it show you for the 360. Okay, when cross the left hand side and the right hand, when cross point, you will wash the leg. Okay, when the cross point. So this is 360. Auto front camera function. Full menu. 48 band EQ with DSP. It's got a preset channel. .360 Birdview. A 3D. Multi-angle view, full touchscreen control. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi, 5G Wi-Fi or 2.4 Wi-Fi. Connect phone hotspot for internet, or insert the 4G data SIM. It's got a 4G SIM slot and 2 USB ports to connect pen drive or USB DVR recorder. A GPS antenna and a 4G antenna will hidden inside the pillar. And the external Bluetooth mic input, mic receiver, the wiring all hidden inside. Connect to the car Android player. General. So sleep time, this is a fast boot on off sleep time. 360 setting. Factory password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Config info to turn on 360 panorama. About, so this is TS10 version. TS10 8-core processor. CPU version OTA UIS 7862. 8-core processor, 2 times A75 and 6 times A55, 2.0 GHz. Okay, radio is TDA 7708 and Bluetooth 5.0. 8GB RAM, 128 internal storage. The screen resolution is 1280 times 720 megapixel. Android version 11, 2023 August. Clear apps or split screen, the left right screen. Clear all, clear apps, a GPS, a radio. So select the frequency you want.
我要买厨房容器。
Alpha Lady 有。
我要买厕所用具。
Styling control. Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click search, you can rename. Pairing with your phone. After pairing, click for the Bluetooth music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to car player. Okay, so this is target audio 8 plus 128 10.1 inch Android GPS player for Toyota Harrier XU60. Target audio Android player. Convex 360 Birdview. Installed by Waze. Video by Andy. Toyota Harrier XU60. A good fitting casing for 10.1 inch. A big casing, so you have to change this 10.1 inch casing to fix in aftermarket Android GPS player. Thank you.